Hello dear students. Today we will talk about fourth term in unit number 3, that is Ottawa Rima. So let us start Ottawa Rima. First of all, we will come to know in Ottawa Rima has the origin from Italy. We all know there is a country named Italy which has a very great heritage of literature, from which that country this particular term has been originated. So rhyming stanza, rhyming pattern for this particular poem has been taken from the country Italy. That has to be kept in mind. The next interesting thing about this particular term Ottawa Rima is it is originally used for long poems in heroic themes, in heroic mock poems we can call. Later, it became popular in the writing of mock heroic poem. So we all know what is heroic poem, what is mock heroic poem. I already told you in my earlier lectures about mock heroic. Rape of the Lock is a poem which is written by Alexander Pope. It is considered mock epic, mock heroic poem. So in such type of poems, this particular stanza form, rhyming pattern has been used by English poet. So it it became popular in Italy. If we talk about the stanza pattern, the rhyming pattern, so the rhyming pattern is consist three alternative rhymes. First of all, in a first couplet, there are alternate line. Second one, again alternation is there from the first couplet to second couplet. And for 6 lines, there is alternative goes on like A B A B A B. And in the last 2 lines, that is seventh and eighth line, there is the pattern like the same pattern is there. So the rhyming pattern for such type of stanza is A B A B A B and the last one is C C. So let us see that too. ये भी हम देखेंगे in the last yes, this slide you can see over here. See this one, there is solitude. So solitude, let us give it A. There is ways, let us give it B, because solitude and ways are not matching with each other. Okay. Now again, solitude and good, tude, good. Okay, it they are matching. That is why they let us give it A and A. Now ways and days both are matching. That is why again there will be B. So these two are matching with each other. Now solitude, good and understood, all three are matching with each other, and that is why let us write here B. Okay, so ways, sorry, there will be A. So in this way, solitude, good and understood, all three are in A. Ways, days and praise, all three are in B category. So B, B and B. Now line and mine. So now for sixth line, from the first to sixth, for the first 6 line there is alternative rhyming scheme like AB, AB and AB. But if we see the last 2 lines, in the last 2 lines the rhyming scheme is not like the first 6 lines. The last 2 lines are matching with each other and they are different than first 6. They are not in A category, they are not in B. So let us give them C and C. Now see, now we can observe the stanza pattern, rhyming scheme pattern, that is AB, AB, AB and CC. So rhyming pattern is AB, AB, AB and the last is CC. Now how many lines are there? There are 8 lines. Okay. So this is the pattern followed here in particular this stanza form, and it has been taken from Italy, as I already told you. Let us again focus on our particular this term, that is Ottawa rima. So actually its earliest known use in the writing of Boccaccio. So we all know there was a very great poet in Italy called Boccaccio. So he is the first person who used it in his writing. And then after then after British writers, the writer from England, they took this form, they brought it to England and they started to write their poetry on the basis of this form, and then after it is known as Ottawa rima. So Ottawa rima stanza in English actually consists 8 iambic lines. Usually they are in iambic pentameter. I already told you what is mean by iamb, what is mean by penta, what is mean by meter in my earlier videos. So you can refer that too. We have already learnt what is mean by iambic pentameter. Okay, so here one thing has to be very given important, that is the first one. Let us summarize it. It is from Italian origin. It is not particular English literature. It is not particular what you call the British literature. It is considered as Italian literature and it has been taken from Italy. So actually whenever we learn English literature, English literature is actually a combination of Latin, some of the French literature, some Greek literature, Italian literature, Spanish literature. So there is a combination of so many countries, and then after it has been collaboratively presented in front of the readers. So, and another thing is that the heroic lines, the heroic theme in long poem that has been written in earlier times, but it became popular with the passage of time and people started to write mock heroic works. And the most important thing is that stanza pattern, that is AB, AB, AB and CC. Okay, so with this we stop here. If you have any query, you can ask me in comment box. With this we stop here. I hope you understood it.